Okay, let me read the question now. Table 3 shows the information related to 3 ingredients used in the production of a type of food. As you can see here, you have ingredient A followed by B and C, and their price per kilogram in the year, followed by price index in the year 2020 based on the year 2018, and the percentage of the usage. Okay, so continue to read the question. For the part A, the price of ingredient C decreased by 20% from the year 2018 to the year 2020. So they ask us to find the value of X and the value of Y, okay, for the part 1 and part 2 respectively. Okay, so this is for the part A. Okay, let us read the question for part B and C now. For the question part B, percentage of usage for several ingredients are given in table 3. Calculate the composite index for the cost of making the food in the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, continue to read for the question part C. The cost of making a packet of food increases by 40% from the year 2020 to the year 2021. Okay, so the selling price of a packet of food is 43 ringgit with a profit of 5 ringgit in the year 2021. The question asks us to calculate the cost of making a packet of food in the year 2018. So this is the overall question. Okay, so I hope you can able to solve the question 13. So take your time to solve this question 13, and we will begin our discussion in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us begin our discussion for the question 13A part 1, where we need to find the value of X. Okay, as you can see here, value X representing the price index in the year 2020 based on the year 2018. And please take note at the part A where they mentioned that the price of ingredient C decreased by 20% from the year 2018 to the year 2020. So to find the value of X is actually very simple. 100 you just minus with 20, you will get your X value. In this case, your X is actually equals to 80. So from here, question 13A, part 1. So from here, your answer is 80. X equals to 80. So this is your answer. Okay, let's say if the statement mentioned that the price of ingredient C increased by 20%. So what you need to do is 100, instead of minus with 20, you have to plus with 20. But in this case, since they mentioned it is decreased, so you need to minus by 20. So that's why you have X equals to 80 over here. Okay, so we are done with the part 1. Let us proceed with the question 13A part 2, where we need to find the value of Y. Okay, in order to find the value of Y, we need to use the price index formula. Okay, in this case, the price index formula, we need to find price of year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, price of the year 2020 we already know is actually 2 ringgit. Okay, based on the year 2018, that is the one we are going to find now. Okay, we divide with Y. Okay, Y is the one you're going to find now. Okay, and then you times with 100. Okay, so you times all, you should get your answer is 80. Okay, before this it was X. Since X we are already find in the part 1, so you just replace the X with 80 over here. So from here you calculate this. So to find Y, what you do, 2 times with 100, you divide with 80. So from here you should get your Y is equals to 2 ringgit and 50 cents. So this is your Y value. Okay, so we have already done with the question part A. Let us move on with the question part B, where we are required to find the composite index, okay, for the cost of making the food in the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, let me scroll down. So from here, the first step what we need to do is we need to make sure that the weightage is all in order. Okay, for the ingredient A is actually 60. Ingredient B we don't know yet. However, we know that ingredient C we have is 5. And please take a note that all the weightage is in terms of percentage. So in order to find the missing weightage, so what you do, 100 you minus with 60, and then you minus with 5. So from here you get the weightage of ingredient B is actually 35%. So from here 60 you plus with 35 and you plus with 5. So from here you should get a total of 100%. Okay. So once you get the weightage, so now it will be easy for us to calculate the composite index. So from here, to find the composite index, so it will be I, okay, and then you have a bar over here, 2020 based on 2018, okay, equals to, start with the ingredient A. Ingredient A, your price index is actually 108, and then times with the weightage 60 plus with 104 times with the weightage 35, okay, and then plus with 80 times with the weightage 5, okay, and then you need to divide with the total weightage, which in this case is 100. Okay, let me draw the line. So 60 plus with 35 plus with 5, you should get the total weightage of 100. That's how we get the 100, guys, by summing up all the weightages respectively. So you calculate this. You should be getting your answer 105.2. So this is your answer. Okay, we are done our discussion with the part B. Let us move on our discussion for the part C, where we are required to find the cost of making a packet of foods in the year 2018. Okay, so take a look at the question C again. So they mentioned that the cost of making a packet of food increased by 40% in the year 2020 to the year 2021. So from here we can conclude that the composite price index for the year 2021 based on the year 2020 is actually equals to 140. Okay, and then continue. The selling price of a packet of food is actually 43 ringgit with a profit of 5 ringgit. Okay, so from here let us find the cost. So in order to calculate the cost, we need to know the actual formula, guys. Okay, so this is the formula. Profit. So in order to calculate the profit, what you need to do is selling price you minus with the cost. If your selling price is higher than cost, that means you're making a profit. So in this case, the profit is actually 5. Okay, the selling price is actually 43. Okay, minus with the cost. Okay, let us continue our working the next step. So you calculate this, you should get your cost is equals to 38 ringgit. Okay, this is your next information. So in order to calculate the cost of making a packet of food in the year 2018, so we need to find the composite index of the year 2021 based on the year 2018. So how are you going to do that? Okay, let me show you the working. So composite index of the year 2021 based on the year 2018 is equals to composite index of the year 2021 based on the year 2020 times with the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, and then you divide with 100. So technically the 2020 and 2020 will get cancelled off, so you're only left with 2021 based on the year 2018. So that's how the formula works. Okay, so from here equals to 140. Okay, how I get this 140? Okay, the question itself already give you the hint, which is the cost of making a packet of food increases by 40% from the year 2020 to the year 2021. So from here 100 you just plus with 40. So from here that's how you get the price index, I mean the composite price index 140. Okay, price index for the year 2020 based on the year 2018, which you have already calculated in the question part B, which in this case is 105.2. okay, and then you divide with 100. Okay, you calculate this, so you should be getting your composite price of the year 2021 based on the year 2018 is 147.28. okay, this is not the final answer. We still need to calculate the cost of making a packet of food in the year 2018. okay, so from here we already know that the cost of making a packet in the year 2021 is actually 38 ringgit. So this 38 ringgit is actually representing price of the year 2021. okay, representation. So we need to find in the year 2018. So from here, so given that 38, okay, let me write this properly. So 38, okay, divide with the price 2018 times with 100, so equals to 147.28. okay, so you calculate this, you should get your price index is equals to 25 ringgit and 80 cent. So this is your answer for the question part C. okay, so that is all for the step-by-step and working for this question. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming Math tutorial videos in the future, and make sure that you share this video to your friends. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.